Caleb, make a run. Get a gap. Let's go. Serve. Got some velocity on that ball. I don't even think he's swinging.
Nice and short. Nice and short.
Right.
Wow, that's room for error. Well, that was,
Serve.
Nice swing, Caleb. Nice set, Antonio.
Good serve.
oh! He just never hit it. It's 4 hits. It hit the tape. It never went over the head.
Oh. Come on, guys. Hey. Caleb, shuffle back and see it. Stand there. Move back and see it.
Nice swing, Cooper.
Come on, Ryan. Serve. I don't think she told you to hit it out, Ryan.
Yeah, you got a little too worried about, hey, where am I going to serve to, right?
Hey, good pass. Oh. Nice, Will.
Oh. Nice up, Will. Nice roll, Caleb.
All right, come on, guys. Let it flow. Nice. Is that a reverse?
That was a back set by Cooper.
That was a reverse dunk right there.
It was a back set. Coop, you're not supposed to back set the other team though. Yeah, I like that. You know. Nice up, Caleb. Nice. You got lucky. That was good touch, Will. Good job, Caleb. And then was that Ryan in the middle? Oh, is that Antonio? When you're looking behind the iPad, you can't really tell who's who most of the time. Good spot, Will.
Serve.
Nice stop. Nice swing, Atticus. Yeah. Good. Hey, Paul.
I don't think so.
Ava called me and said, Grant's got a seizure on him. He get
No,
hurt.
they, this last match, the previous match, Grant played the entire first game,
Oh,
and Antonio played the entire second.
okay. So
And
you're
then-
switching.
so they're now it must be the Antonio second. That's one I'm guessing.
then,
I'm
yeah.
guessing they'll come in the next one.
This room 6-1.
I'm guessing.
No, Ava asked, and then I thought, well, and then I looked, I'm like, oh no, he does have a shirt
Well,
on.
yeah, I saw Caleb
Oh,
had
I'm
his
not
on a
keeping
couple
score.
games ago too. So.
Oh, Nick, the coach, isn't he part of the team?
All right, come on, bud.
Sorry, Ryan. Keep swinging, buddy.
All right, come on, guys.
It should be 10 to 15. I mean, is what it is. They were in the net. Now it should be 10-16.
I thought they were going to call Atticus
That's
Antonio.
Antonio. I did 2 minutes. The other guys were in the net first. I guess I'll switch back to their score, but it is 10-16.
Give him a freebie.
Yes, sir.
They'll figure it out when they get to the end of the book and say, oh,
Yeah, that's 26.
Anyone here?
there's a
Ball. stand up. Oh,
Come on, bud.
No, Paul. It's just because this one's wide.
Yeah.
Oh, see, they corrected it now. Now it's 17. See, there was that point that was missing.
Let's go. Let's go. Side out, let's go. Oh.
Hold on, what do they have for the score over there? Is it
17-13.
Oh, okay. I thought it said 15. I was just like, I don't know. Nice swing, Coop. Come on, guys.
Hey, come on, boys. Nice Trey.
Way to talk, guys. Keep going now.
Quicker than wind. Quicker than wind.
Big block, middle.
All right, let's go, guys.
Let's go, Trey.
Trey, make them work. Nice serve.
Nice spot,
All
Caleb.
right, come on. Go, Trey. Good serve. Came after it. What do you call it?
Well, because he was basically calling roofing again, which there's no don't call that. Oh, did he call it Antonio?
Well, I think when the ultimate player was calling the same, he was pointing this way, and I think he's just calling the ball into the right side. Yeah, he was calling the point to the team.
Oh,
Let's go, finish.
bring it on behind the screen.
Nice, Trey.
Nice spot, Trey. Way
Good
to play
roll.
smart.
Good roll. Get it over, make them work. Come on, Will.
Keep blocking, guys. Keep blocking. You got it.
Good serve.
He got so excited, it looked like he just raced that.
What are you doing? Come on, Caleb. I don't even know if I want to count the errors this game.
Very call timeout.
make him sweat it out. Really. There you go, Trey.
Nice thing, Trey.
All right.
Nice set, Antonio.
Let's go now. Let's go now.
Come
Here
on,
you go,
guys.
Antonio.
You got it. Here we go. Here we go.
All right. Over. Nice.
Nice job, guys.
Gotta be ready. Come on, Ryan.
Here we go, guys. It's all right, side out, 1 point.
Come on. What are you doing? Caleb, roll it over.
Here we go, guys. Here we go. Keep it short. Keep it short.
Yep, relax, move on,
All
finish
right,
the
here we
game.
go.
Here we go now. Here we go. Here we go. You got it.
There you go.
Nice job, Atticus.
There you go, Atticus.
Nice, Antonio. Good job.
They better explode next game. So they better explode next game. So, I mean, this is only the first set.
Yeah, that's more beer.
Did he just miss that?
In the net.
You can buy that thing.
However he put it in the net, so. All right, Sex takes first set. We'll start second set shortly. No, that was first set.
Caleb is buying that.
It's double. It's double if you don't get it over the net.
Who said that? That is not true.
Right, Paul?
Sir?
It's double.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you don't get it, if you don't clear, if you get blocked
That
by the
was
net,
first.
you get 2 rounds.
We'll have to make it home first.
What a split way for Milwaukee, man.
All right.